Happy birthday! Hey, you know what? Today is little man's birthday. 10.
10 years ago today, we had this little man come floundering into our world, and he's made everything amazing since then.
That's right, everybody. I'm the big 10. It's really awesome for me because I'm double digits.
Today, we're going to go down to the beach. Where are we going?
Down to the Cocoa Beach.
Cocoa Beach.
We're gonna go down to the pier, and I think we're gonna check out...
Chuck E. Cheese.
Do what?
Arcade. He is double digits. He's 10 and he wants to go to the beach. He is going to get some sun and he's going to go to Chuck E. Cheese. We're going to play some games at Chuck E. Cheese. We're going to eat sushi afterwards, play in the waves.
Aww.
Wait, Chuck times, come on. Bum, 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 bum. We can already see sand. That's a good sign, right?
Yeah.
There's something magical about that first glimpse of the ocean. The air gets saltier, the waves whisper your name, and suddenly your to-do list just evaporates. We kicked off Dean's birthday morning just outside Alan Shepard Park, aptly named after the first American in space. Kinda fitting because on a clear day here in Cocoa Beach, you can see the NASA Vehicle Assembly Building off in the distance. Pretty cool backdrop for a kid's beach birthday, right? Dean had one request. Beach first, and then arcade. So beach it was. Sunshine, salty air, and a spray of sunscreen that got applied with the urgency of a hazmat team. He hates the feel of it, but he loves not getting burned even more. Classic Dean move. Once our toes hit the sand, it was on. We hunted for shells, ran from the waves, dipped into the water, and made our way towards the Cocoa Beach Pier. An iconic stretch of wood built back in 1962. It's seen surfers, storms, and probably way too many selfie sticks. Pelicans were dive bombing for fish like it was a sport. The breeze messed up our hair in all the best ways, and for a minute there, life was just simple. Peaceful. No cliffs, no canyons, no wild hikes, just a beach, a birthday, and a reminder that this RV life, this is exactly why we do it. After we rinsed the salt off our feet and shook half the beach out of Dean's shoes, it was time for stop number 2, Chuck's Arcade. And no, not the pizza-slinging animatronic mouse of our childhood nightmares. This Chuck is something else entirely. I gotta go get money. It's a Cocoa Beach staple, tucked right into the beer. Local favorite, beachgoer magnet, and somehow still giving off that just one more game energy even on a Sunday afternoon. You step inside, the light shifts, bright neon lights, whirling machines, and that oddly comforting hum of 100 games trying to get your attention. No greasy pizza smell, no birthday parties gone off the rails, just row after row of crisp, modern games and glowing screens waiting for your swipe. Dean and Gertie didn't even hesitate. They split like magnets pulled in opposite directions. Eyes wide, game cards in hand. One moment it's virtual racing, the next it's a crane machine showdown, and somehow, someone always ends up with an empty claw and a need to play again. But it wasn't about racking up points or grabbing the best prize. It was about being right there, in that moment, together, laughing, chasing down digital dinosaurs, and celebrating our little guy's big day the way he wanted to. And the best part? Stepping out of that arcade, back into that salty breeze and Florida sunshine, and realizing that this whole day, beach, arcade, laughter, sunscreen meltdowns, it was exactly what birthday should be. Not fancy, not overplanned, just real, joyful, a lot of fun, and a little bit noisy.
You gotta lean from side to side, Gertie.
After a full day of sun, waves, and video games, we wandered back out one more time. Just a slow walk down the shoreline, hoping to soak up a few more salty memories before the sun dipped too low. Dean and Gertie enjoyed riding the crashing waves, trying to spot seashells that hadn't yet been discovered. Every now and then they'd stop, completely frozen, to shout, "This one's the best one yet!" for the 10th time in an hour. The golden hour hit just right, the kind of light that makes everything glow. Water, faces, and even the sunscreen smears across Dean's nose. Jeff and I hung back for a second or two just to watch it all unfold. You only get so many of these moments, and this one, it was perfect.
I've had such an amazing birthday today, so I think today, after we get done and take showers, we're gonna go have sushi and have birthday cake. So today's been an awesome birthday for me. I don't know about you guys, but I like cake. I think it's a great birthday. I think that's all I have to say. It's been awesome. Awesome, yeah.
And we've got plenty more adventures and misadventures coming your way. Thanks for being a part of Dean's Big Day. We'll see you next time, and never stop exploring.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bean.
Happy birthday to you.
And you look like a monkey and you smell like one too.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you.
Love you.
I love you too.
You should probably smell that just to make sure that it's okay.